Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. As you know, we completed 5 questions yesterday, and now we proceed further. We have question 6. What, according to the poet, can kill a tree? The answer of this question goes like this. According to the poet, a tree can be killed only by uprooting it. When its roots come out of the earth, they are exposed to adverse effect of the sun and air. Ultimately, the tree dies and then dies. This is the only process through which a tree can be killed. So this was the answer of your question 6. I'll recall these answers for you, and what you have to do is that you have to note down this in your notebook and prepare for your exam. Now we move to the question 7. How do you find the style implied by the poet in the poem? Read the poem once. Again, the poet has explained it in a very simple language about the growth and killing of a tree. The poet brings to light the fact that trees are as alive as other living creatures and are also very beneficial to us. Hence, we should not destroy them by cutting them or by uprooting them. It will disturb our ecological balance. And now we move to the second part, learning about literary devices. Beginning with the title, what are the words and images that are suggestive of violence in the poem? The words suggestive of violence in the poem are kill a tree, jab of knife, hack and chop, bleeding bark, pulled out, roped and tied, snap it, scorching, choking, withering, etc. These are the words used in the poem. Now we will discussion part. First of this is the poet says that killing a tree is not so easy. Do you agree? Yes, I agree with the poet that killing a tree is not so easy. Actually, keeping in view the huge strength of a tree, it cannot be killed by a simple blow of a knife or an axe. It can be killed only by uprooting it. For this purpose, a tree is to be tied by a strong rope, and then it is to be pulled out of the earth, when its wet and white roots, which are the most sensitive part of a tree, come out of the earth and are exposed. The heat of the sun drains life out of them. At that time, the tree does not get water and food. It becomes hard and loses its freshness. Ultimately, it dries and dies. So, killing of a tree is not an easy process. Now, we move to the question second. Make a 300-word presentation on any one of the following. Global warming, how can I contribute to a greener and healthier earth? Impact of smoke and fuel on earth. I'll consider one A part, that is global warming. Dear learners, global warming means increase in average global temperature. The primary cause of global warming is the rising volumes of collective emissions of 6 lethal gases called greenhouse gases. Some of the gases included in this category are carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, which are known to be highly toxic. Most of these gases are emitted by the industrial activity in various developed and developing nations. The proportion of these in the atmosphere has been constantly rising ever since the Industrial Revolution started in the 19th century. As the process of industrialization gained momentum, it raised the pollution level of the atmosphere. By the end of the 20th century, the situation became rather alarming. The USA and Canada are among the countries emitting the largest volume of pollutants and greenhouse gases. These are many consequences of global warming. Mount Everest is losing its height. Lee in the Arctic region will slowly melt. Water level in the ocean and seas will rise. Large chunks of land in coastal countries will be submerged. Many species of flora and fauna will disappear. The UNO is seized of the situation but has succeeded in doing precious little by way of mitigation. In 1992, Earth Summit held in Rio de Janeiro adopted the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. In order to take steps for the stabilization of greenhouse gases concentration in the atmosphere at a level that would prevent deterioration of general climatic conditions. So this is a very long topic, and what will you add? You can add for an example. It is enough, and you can add more also with this. And I think this is enough for today. We will continue inshallah tomorrow. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.